Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel InnoTV. It's really nice to see you again on the internet. I'm Rita, and the content and information of this video is threefold. Firstly, we're having a review and outlook of the industrial memory market trends for DRAM modules and NAND flash. Secondly, we'll share with you an application study of Innodisk storage AIoT solutions. And lastly, we'll update you with news and information about our latest projects and events. And now we're looking on the DRAM module and IC price trend. For DDR3, DDR3 presents a more steady decline than DDR4 because the DDR3 IC production output would decrease in next year due to major suppliers' mainstream product is DDR4 IC, and we Innodisk have two DDR3 IC suppliers as dual source. For DDR4, because suppliers are willing to get more market share in this mainstream technology, so we can observe the degree of price decrease is much more severe. And next, onto the NAND flash industry outlook. For the year 2021, strong demand from notebooks, smartphones, and data centers have reduced the sufficiency ratio and thus stabilized the price trend of NAND flash products. The annual total revenue is forecasted to increase by 26.8% year-on-year, combined with strong bit demand growth. For year 2022, the growth in output for suppliers in 2022 has somewhat shrunk after spontaneous expansion during 2021, though the purchase performance for the data center end is comparatively robust. However, the noticeable abatement in the demand dynamics from the notebook and smartphone ends is expected to aggravate the asset supply status for first half 2022 and subside the year-on-year increase in revenue to roughly 7%. So as demand slows, NAND flash suppliers' capacity expansion plan will be affected by the outlook on future trends and supply of other non-memory components. At the same time, attention will have to be paid to the demand projection. At the moment, NAND flash suppliers appear likely to downsize their capacity expansion activities for 2022, resulting in a 21.8% year-on-year increase in NAND flash bit supply next year. Annual bit demand, on the other hand, is projected to increase by 30.8% year-on-year, with demand being outpaced by supply and competition intensifying among suppliers for higher layer products. The NAND flash market will likely experience a cyclical downturn in prices in 2022. For the sufficiency of NAND flash, the shortages delivered from the compelling demand for SSD and the insufficient supply of controller IC in 2021 are not excessively detrimental thanks to the active expansion from various suppliers for the purpose of fulfilling client needs. TrendForce estimates the growth dynamics in bit demand from consumer demand, including smartphones and notebooks, to diminish evidently after entering 2022, and the relatively significant asset supply status in the first half 2022, in particular, will initiate a new wave of depleting tendency for the market. In this part, we're going to introduce you an application study of smart retail. Innodisk designed a smart vending machine concept that demonstrates how vending machine operators can use AIoT technology to improve profitability and provide customers with a superior shopping experience. At first, there were challenges that we faced. Downtime is required to be kept to a minimum to ensure high service quality and an adequate profit margin. Also, physical maintenance work needs to be infrequent to reduce costs, and any devices and components must be able to withstand 24/7 operations in year-round climate and weather conditions. To tackle those challenges, therefore, Innodisk came up with the solutions that industrial-grade InnoH SSDs with out-of-band management, and also the iCap device management platform for seamless remote maintenance and management, and Innodisk rack hardware components that maintain high performance in any environment. So, as the result of Innodisk AIoT solutions, by leveraging the InnoEdge SSD, the smart vending machine concept provided a solution that introduces intelligent features without sacrificing valuable uptime or requiring extra maintenance work. On the contrary, the more sophisticated concept vending machine can manage inventory and forecast demand more effectively than traditional vending machines, thereby reducing the need for maintenance work. The result is a vending machine with features that customers enjoy, such as non-cash payment options, an attractive interface with special promotions and advertisements, and an optimized selection for products, all while reducing cost for the operator. That's why we believe that through great cooperation, Innodisk can aid clients in overcoming all challenges. By maintaining efficient communication, we ensure that the tailored solution will be suitable for your applications. From initial stages of communication to the final execution, we will continue to devote to innovative hardware, firmware, and software integration. So should you have any requirements, don't hesitate to click the link below and get in touch with our consultant team. We will be pleased to advise you personally of information on sales and product inquiries. Okay, now we go on to the part of the latest projects and events. Because system heat constraints are a constant headache for system designers who must accommodate heat-sensitive components into their designs. So Innodisk introduces ultra-temperature DRAM modules that go beyond the typical industrial-grade temperature range to offer temperature support from a chilling -40 degree to a scorching 125 degree. The extending temperature support will prove extremely valuable for the applications such as self-driving vehicles, fanless systems, and mission-critical systems like aerospace and aircrafts. Moreover, there are various groundbreaking features of the new ultra-temperature series, like the 45mm Goldfinger, which provides a tougher, more reliable connection than typical 30mm Goldfingers on industrial-grade DRAMs, and a side fill that protects and strengthens delicate solder joints against thermal and mechanical stress, and also anti-suffocation and thermal sensors. The new series is also verified by third-party testers, including Goldfinger insert and extract test for 100 cycles, thermal shock and vibration test, drop test, bending test, in order to ensure it meets the rigorous requirement that the ultra-temperature label represents. The ultra-temperature DRAM module has the potential to eliminate one of the biggest roadblocks in computer design by simply accommodating higher temperatures. This development can streamline the development of all the systems mentioned earlier. This fares well when combined with the general growth of these markets. Self-driving cars shows a positive market outlook, and according to a recent market research report, the demand is set to rise from 23.33 billion in 2022 to 64.88 billion by the year 2026, a CAGR of 22.7% from 2021 to 2026. So now, you can head to the link below in the description to learn more about the Ultra Temperature series. So now, the last but not least, we will be attending the 2021 ET and IoT exhibition in Japan. The expo will be hosted during November 17th to 19th at Pacifico, Yokohama. You can also head to the link in the description below for more information and details. We welcome you to join us and looking forward to meeting you in person. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you have a good day. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.